on tomorrow's show, Cleo De Nile. Remember, Cleo, you must do it from memory. No notes, no recipes.
Okay, De Nile family recipes. Oh, hey, Ghoul. What? Oh, tell me everything. No. Yes. Okay, maybe. What am I going to do? I've got nothing. Guya, I do appreciate you letting me use your raspberry bouffle recipe, but I'll never be able to memorize it before class.
Hiya, ghouls.
Gara, how was telepathy camp?
Too amazing for words.
I'm thinking of a number between
629.
Scary cool.
Scary Screams is telepathic.
Yeah.
I can give her Guya's recipe cards, and she can read them to me from another room.
Gara's an awesome ghoul, but carrying everybody's thoughts makes it hard for her to focus.
All she has to do is read what's on the cards. What could go wrong? Today, I'm going to be making my world-famous raspberry bouffle. Okay, Scara, just read me off the ingredients.
Okay, 4 cups of whole milk,
And we add 4 cups whole milk.
a single carton of fresh organic raspberry,
That ghoul was so hot, I'd need a gallon of liquid nitrogen to cool her down.
1 gallon liquid nitrogen.
1 gallon of liquid nitrogen.
Number 24 better watch out tonight.
24 cups of flour, 11 slap bracelets, and 1 smartphone. Now I'll just put this in the oven, and it'll be just a few minutes until tasty time. I'll just wait for my A+.
Everybody out! It's gonna...
I'm thinking that you're unhappy.
It doesn't take a mind reader.
Where are you ghouls going?
Every year, the Fear Squad works at the Coffin Bean for free. All the proceeds go to an awesome children's charity.
I hold the record for the most money earned.
Until today.
Please.
Here we go. This will keep track of all the money we earn for charity. We want to get to here to beat last year.
But we want to get here to beat Nephra's record.
Oh, our first customers!
I'll have a small sugar-free vanilla fangicino.
Let me have a monster triple espresso with extra chocolate sprinkles and 2 pumps of white chocolate and sprinkles more, please.
We're already almost to last year's total.
Nephra's record is going to be ancient history. Looks like your record is going to need bandages, Nephra.
Doubt that. I like to call this Cleo's bad luck charm.
Your orders.
I don't suppose we broke Nephra's record.
We actually owe a bunch of money for damages.
Talk about epic fail.
It's over.
Wait, you're not giving up, are you? To beat her record, we'd need to serve...